I made a promise. Actually, I made two promises to myself and to you. The first was that when my channel hits 100,000 subscribers, and we're getting close, that I would go live. I would go live whatever day it happens, whatever time of day it happens. I'd go live so that we could share this together. I'm a big believer in celebrating your goals, even if your goals don't even really matter that much. Number of subscribers that you have is just kind of a vanity metric. It doesn't really matter, but it's a goal that I set for myself. So that's what I intend to do. The other promise was that I said I would mark the occasion by jumping in the Atlantic Ocean, which is right there. Perhaps I didn't think it through, the fact that it's going to happen probably in February in Canada. It's not that warm. But I've done that before, so I thought, what a cool way to, remember this occasion. I'm going to be smart about it. I'm bringing my daughter with me. She's going to do it as well. She's also done this before. So, yeah, going to be safe. But here's the problem. Oh, those are pretty cool ducks. I don't know if you can see those. They don't mind the cold. The problem is, at my current growth rate, it looks like that could very well happen on a day that I'm traveling. And I could be in either an airport or on a plane. And if that happens, I'm not going to be able to go live. The other thing is, when I land, I'm going to be in a much warmer climate, and the cold plunge won't be so cold. So that's what I'm dealing with, and I can't change those dates. So if this is something we're going to experience together, we can celebrate this together, timing suddenly matters a whole lot more. I'm not asking anybody to do anything they don't want to do. All I'm saying is, if you enjoy my content, if you enjoy my videos, then maybe have a look down below to see if you're subscribed to the channel. And if not, and if you want to, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. Because this is actually one of those moments where clicking subscribe might change the outcome of this story. It might change the video that I make of me jumping in the ocean. Anyways, I'm just kind of having fun with this, but I don't know. I think it'd be kind of cool to be able to go live with you guys. And if we could just move it up by a day or two, then we're not going to have a problem, and I can go live before I go away. But either way, I'm going to celebrate this, whether it's here or down south, and I'll disclose where I'm going at a later time. Yeah, it's exciting. Celebrate your goals as you achieve them. Set goals that are achievable, and when you do reach them, celebrate them, right? It's a big deal. If you don't celebrate your wins and your goals, they're somewhat diminished. You may not work as hard to achieve them. Anyways, I'm a big believer in that, just kind of marking the occasion, celebrate your wins, and I think that's really all I have to say. Either way, I'm going to celebrate properly by jumping in the ocean, and I'll go live when I can. But I just think it would be cool to be able to celebrate this together. So that said, I hope to see you Tuesday in my live stream. Then the following Tuesday, it's actually going to have to be Monday when I go live, because Tuesday I'm going to be traveling. So anyway, I'll leave that with you, and I'll see you either in the live stream or my next video. All right, bye.